Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can send a automatic text message, how to create a contact, and how to use the templates to do that. So what we're going to do first is just go to our contacts tab here on the left-hand side. We're going to click add here on the right-hand side, and you're just going to fill out the person's first and last name. Let's just say Sanders. And we're going to put the phone number here. This is just going to be a make-believe person and phone number. And then we're just going to create this as a mobile. Obviously, we're sending out a text message. You also have the option to add a group or a tag, so you can create one. So these are grouped together when you look at through contacts. But for now, we're just going to hit save. And then I can just put here and Kelly will pop up. So then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a template. So I'm going to go here on the left-hand side of the SendIt dashboard. I'm going to actually, let's just delete this one real fast because I'm going to just create a brand new one. And so very easy to delete also. I'm going to hit here on the right-hand side. It's going to activate the add template feature. And we're just going to make this as a Zoom meeting reminder text. Pretty simple. And all I'm going to do is just copy and paste my Zoom reminder. And let me just copy it here. So the template can be used for anything. You can use this as a weekly reminder, monthly reminder, whatever is easier for you, but it's something that helps you save time and allows you to use the same message over and over again without retyping it. So now, once I've created that template, that's going to be here under the Zoom meeting reminder text. I'm going to click on my scheduler. I'm going to hit here on the top right-hand side, schedule SMS. Okay, I'm going to choose my calendar, which is under a demo account for John. We're just going to put this as Zoom reminder. And I can choose the date and time when I want this message to go out in the future. So I'm going to send it on the 30th at, let's just say 11 a.m. on the dot. Now, the great thing about this scheduler is you actually have the option to send this only once, a daily message, and then a whole different plethora of options. So annual, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, every 3 weeks, 2 weeks. For now, we're just going to send this out once, and it's going to be from my RingCentral number. And then I can just type in Kelly. She'll pop up here. And then here in the message template, I'm literally just going to put our hotkey, and I'm going to put in search for the Zoom. I'm just typing it out. It's going to come in there. So literally, I don't have to fill out anything. I don't have to send anything. Actually, let me put this here as Kelly. Click here. And as soon as I have all the information filled out, I click here on the add button, which is now activated. So that message is going to go out on January 30th at 11 a.m. I click add. I go back to my calendar, and you can see it just popped up. So now the SMS is ready to go out, to be sent out on the 30th of January, 3 days beforehand. Very simple to use. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thank you so much. Have a great day.